Hello students, welcome to Reddy's classes. Hope you all are safe at home. I am Mr. Patel. I will be teaching you mathematics. So I hope your online studies at your school has been started and many of the chapters have been completed. So let's not waste time and let us study mathematics. As you know, you have to be prepared for standard 10th. 9th basics is the foundation. This is the actual foundation. In this year you are going to make a pillars and going for the next standard. For standard 10th you will be competing. So mathematics, two branches, algebra, geometry. Okay, let us mix it and make us mathematics. So today we are going to study expansions. It is a part of algebra. Okay, let us start now. Okay, see here. First of all, algebra, expansions. This is my lecture 1. ICSE boards. Special products. These are the special products here given. What are they? You know the value of a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square. What are their values? How do it came? Okay, what are the exact value we want and how we are going to solve in expansion forms? Okay, let us see. First of all, we have one formula, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. This is the actual basic formula for expansions. For expansion, this is the actual basic formulas. Okay, this is easiest one. A square plus b square. A square plus b square. See, same terms. A square plus b square. A square plus b square. What is changing? For a plus b square, it is plus 2ab, and for minus term, it is minus 2ab. That's it. You have the formula here. What is it? A plus b square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, and for a minus b the whole square, it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. That's it. Now we have the third formula here. A plus b, a minus b. That is what? A square minus b square. That's it. A square minus b square. Nextly, we have some more two important formulas which we are going to solve. Okay. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. This is what? 4ab. This is what? 4ab. If you solve it with this purpose, with these formulas, you will get a more expanded equation. You will have to cut the equations exponentials. Okay, you will get this term 4ab, and a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. It is what? 2 bracket a square minus b square bracket close. That's it. You have 5 formulas here. You have to learn it by heart, and we shall start on this chapter. Okay, let us start. So let us go. This is your exercise 3a. We are going to solve 2 questions here. Second question is for homework. Let us start with the first question here. First question first. 4a plus 9 the whole square. It looks like a plus b the whole square. It looks like this. So what is the actual formula? We have the formula. A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. You have to write this formula. Now let us start solving. 4a plus 9 the whole square. This is our a and this is our b. So how can I write it? A square means 4a the whole square means 4a square plus b square means 9 square plus 2 into what is the a? 4a into what is b? 9. That's it. Now let us solve. 4a square. What is the square of 4? 16, and a square plus what is the square of 9? 81. 9 9s are 81 plus what is the value of 2 4s are 8 and 8 9s are 72. That's it. 72a, and we have the required answer here. That is it. We have the answer here. A plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's it. We use this formula and we got the answer. Let us see one more sum with respect to roots. So how the roots are going to solve? We are going to use the same formula here. A, this is our a term and this is our b term. A plus b the whole square. We have the same formula here. You will write the same formula. A plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let us start. Under root 2m plus under root 3n the whole square. This is what I can write it like a square plus b square plus 2a b, that's it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this square and this root gets cut. This square and this root gets cut. What is the actual value we get? 2, because square and roots is cut. Now we have only the value 2. And what is m square? This is what? M square plus 3n square plus 2 into, we have root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. That is what? Root 6. We have root 6. Can I write like it? 2. Oh sorry, I have written 2. 3 to the 6 means under root 6 mn. That's it. We have the answer here. Okay, this is the basic concepts. You have to learn the formulas and you have to go through the answers. That's it. Let us go to the next question now. Let us start with the question number 2. First question and once again the third question here. We are solving only the toughest one. You have to do the rest as in homework. So we have one question. 2a square plus 3b the whole square. 2a square plus 3b the whole square. We will use the same formula. This is your a part. This is your b part. A plus b the whole square. We have the same formula. What is the exact formula we have? Formula is a square. Sorry, shall I write the formula once again here? A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Let us use the formula now. We have 2a square plus 3b the whole square. So, a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2a and b. 2ab. We have the formulas now. Now let us solve it. 2 square is what? 4. A square the whole square is what? A power 4. A power 4. Samjha? 2 square 4. A square the whole square is what? 2 to the 4 plus 3 square is 9 and b square is same as it. Okay. Now plus 3 to the 6. 6 to the 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, a square b. That's it. You get your answer here. Okay. Did you get it? What is the actual answer now? 4a power 4 plus 9b square plus 12a square b. Let us go to the next question now. We have another question. A plus b the whole square. We have the same values here. We have a, we have b and we have the whole square. We are going to use the same formula here. Okay. Let us solve it. So, we have what? Shall I directly solve it? So, a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2a b. This dot implies multiply sign. You can write here as multiply sign also. Okay, you can write it multiply here also. You can write it like this. Okay, that's it. Now let us solve this equation. First of all, I have a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab. Now what is the square of 2? 4. X square is x square plus 1 upon, what is the square of 3? 9, because square of 1 is what? None other than 1. 9 x square plus, now see, can I cut this x with this x? Yes, I can. So what the value we get? 2 to the 4 upon 3. That's it. You solve the sum here easily. Okay. Let us go to the next questions now. So let us see. We have one more question here. Question number 3. First question and the third question. 2 upon 5x plus 5 upon 6y means it looks simply like a plus b the whole square. Once again, a plus b the whole square. Let us use the same formula. Till now मुझे तो लगता है कि आप लोगों को a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला अभी तक याद ही हो गया रहेगा, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, अभी तक तो शायद ही याद हो गया रहेगा या फिर याद ही हुआ रहेगा। देन ऑल्सो अगर आप लोगों को याद हुआ रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे और स्टार्ट करेंगे। सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन नाउ, 2/5x plus 5/6y the whole square. We have this question now, so let us apply a square plus b square plus 2a into b, 2ab, that's it. We use the question. Now let us solve. Let us start solving it. 2 square 4, 5 square 25 x square plus 5 square 25 6 36 y square y square. That's it. Now can we do like 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6? We have an answer. So 5 2s are, can I divide this with this? Okay, I can cut this part also. Now what is the actual left part? 2/3xy, 2/3xy, that's it. I have the answer. 4/25 x square plus 25/36 y square plus 2/3xy. That's it. 2 1s are 2 3s are and 5 got cut. Why the reason? If it is in addition it won't, but it is in multiplication, therefore this 5 2 1s are 2 3s are got cut. Okay, let us see here. We have one more question. 6 plus 5 upon x square. This is our a, this is our b part. So let us start solving it. A plus b the whole square. Once again, what is the value? A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ab, that's it. Square of 6 36, square of 5 25, x square plus 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60 upon x. That's it. We have the answer here using a simple formula to solve the equation. You have to solve the second question here. Okay, let us go to the next question now. So let us start here. We have questions now. Fourth question. First question is related to a minus b the whole square. That is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Let us start with the sum here. So see the fourth question here. What is given? 5x minus 3y the whole square. We have this value a, we have this value b minus the whole square. So what is the actual formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. So let us start solving it. The equation is 5x minus 3y the whole square. This is what? A square minus 2ab, sorry, I wrote the equation in a different manner. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. I have the value 5 square 25 x square plus I have 25 here plus 3 square is 9 y square minus 5 to the 10, 10 3s are 30 xy. I have this value here. That's it. We solve the value 25x square plus 9y square minus 30 xy. That's it. Let us go to the next question now. The third question. What is given? We have the same formula. A minus b the whole square. Let us use the formula now. A square plus b square minus 2 a b. I have write the formula. So let us start solving. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, x square is x square plus what is the square of 3? 9, 2 square is once again 4, y square minus 2. Can I cut this 2 and this 2? Yes, I can. So 3 and this 2, sorry, this 2 and this 2 got cut. 3 into xy, 3xy upon 2 upon 2. That's it. We got the answer here. Okay, 1 upon 4 x square plus 9 upon 4 x square minus 3 upon 2 xy. That's it. So let us start the next question. Let us start the next question. Question number 5. I am solving the second question and the third question because first question is the easiest one. You have to solve it. Okay. See, let us go through. A minus b square. A minus b the whole square. Once again the same formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. You have to use this formula. Let us start. 3a upon 2b means this is a square plus b square minus 2 a b minus 2 ab. Okay, now we have the formula here as what is the square of 3? 9a square upon 4b square. Square of 2 is 4, b square is b square plus 2 square 4, 4b square upon 9a square minus. So let us, before doing minus, see here 2b get cuts, 3a get cut. What is the actual value we get? We get the value as 2. That's it. We solve this equation. How? 9a square upon 4b square plus 4b square upon 9a square minus 2. That's it. You have to see which of the crossing value is going to cut. That's it. You solve this equation. Now let us see the next question here. 5x minus 2 upon 3 the whole square. Let us use the same formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. Now a square means 25x square, 5 square is 25x square plus what is the square of 2? 4 upon square of 3 is 9x square minus 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. We have 20x upon 3x. Okay, we have what? 20x upon 3x. Now can I cut this can I cut this xx? So what is the actual value we got? We get 25x square plus 4 upon 9x square minus 20 upon 3. That's it. We solve the equation. So let us see here. We have one more question here. Let us start one more formula. This formula is a plus b plus c the whole square. Till now a plus b the whole square is done. A minus b the whole square is done. Let us solve for a plus b plus c the whole square. See, what is it? Easiest formula. A plus b the whole square is what? A square. It is given. Let me use the next formula. It is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, bc and ac. 2 into ab plus bc plus ac. That's it, the formula. Let us use this formula in equation. A plus 2b plus 3c the whole square. So what we get is, this is your value for a given as a itself. This is your b. This is your c. Let us start solving. We have a square means a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square plus, according to the formula, 2 plus 2ab means a into 2b. We have ab plus bc, 2b into 3c plus a into 3c, means you have ca means 3c and a. I can write this in a more informative manner, like let me make some brackets here. I can put this in this brackets and that's it. We have 2ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, we have the exact formula written over here. Let us start solving. A square is what? A square plus what is the value of 2 square is 4, b square plus 3 square is what? 9, c square plus 2 into this bracket 2 into ab, 2ab plus 2b into 3 to the 6, we have 6 bc, 6 bc plus 3 ca, bracket closed. Now let us go further. We have what? A square plus 4b square plus 9c square plus, now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply this 2 with all the 3 units in it. Okay, so what is the equation we get? 2 to the 4 AB, AB is with it, plus 2 into 6, 12 BC, 2 into 3, 6, 2 3 the 6, CA, that's it. This is the actual required equation we get solving the formula for A plus B plus C the whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. That's it. Let us see with the next question now. Let us start with the question now. We have third question, 2x minus 3y plus 7z the whole square. A plus B plus C, same formula we are going to use, but see in which manner. A square, let us start with the formula A square, that is what? 2x the whole square, plus we have the value of B as minus 3y square. Okay, did you get the value of B square? Minus, this 3 is with minus. Now plus C square means 7z the whole square, A square plus B square plus C square, that's it, plus 2 plus 2. Once again we have the bracket now. What is the bracket now? I have this bracket. 2 AB means 2x and minus 3y plus BC 3y and what? 7z plus we have CA, that is 7z multiplied by 2x, bracket close. I can write all the functions in the same way, write this also, or by like this, else like this. This represent multiplication itself. Okay, so let us see how we are going to solve this. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. So let us solve. Any square of a negative number is positive. Square of a negative number is positive. Minus 3 square is 9, positive 9. Minus 4 square is 16, positive 16. Okay, see. 2x square is what? 4x square. 2 ka square 4, x square is x square, plus negative square 3 square is what? 9. That's got this value, plus 7 square 49 z square. That's it. We get some values here. We have the value of A square plus B square plus C square. Now let us solve further. This 2 as it is. 3 to the 6, but we have the minus sign here. We have to put a bracket here. 6 minus 6 xy minus 6 xy plus 7 3 the 21, that is minus 21 yz plus 7 to the 14 xz or zx. You can write whatever you want to write, xz or zx, it's the same terms. Okay, 4x square plus 9y square plus 49 z square. So what I am going to do is, now let us remove this all the brackets. Okay, the sign will become like this 2 bracket minus 6xy plus minus 21yz plus 14xz. We have this. Okay, I am improving the equation. Why? So let you know that how the equation is solved. Now 4x square plus 9y square plus 49z square plus, now 6 to the minus 6 into 2 is what? Plus 2 minus 6, it is what? Minus 12xy. We have minus 12xy. See how we are going to use this equation as minus 12xy plus minus, once again we got minus 21 to the 42yz plus 14 to the 28xz. That's it, we have the value here. Okay, before we go forward, see this, plus is always plus minus is minus plus is minus, and minus is plus. These terms, go through these terms properly. See how we take it as plus minus minus, therefore 6 to the 12, and so this. Okay, you can remove this bracket, everything directly. So what will happen? Wait, let me remove in a systematic manner so you will get my point. This will be 4x square, this is 4x square plus 9y square plus 49z square is plus minus is exactly minus xy plus minus c plus minus is minus 42yz plus is plus, we get the value 28xz. That's it, this is the required equation we need. Okay, so this was the actual equation we have to know. This has a conclusion equation. Okay, you have to go through the formula, you have to see all the steps, you have to note this part. This is the actual part. Okay, in the next lecture, so we have the final equation here. In the next lecture we will be teaching you some more expansions formula, and we will go by the exercise. And first of all, let me tell you that if you have any doubt regarding the sums, expansions in any subject with maths, and if you have any of the doubt with any of the sum, any formulas, you can contact us on Reddy's Classes app. You have to go to the Play Store, you have to download the app Reddy's Classes. I repeat, Reddy's Classes app, and there you can put us message, any chat in the chat box, and we will give the answer anytime. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home.